In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock an Adobe Sign document. Unlocking a signed PDF document can be a straightforward process, especially when you follow these simple steps. Before we begin, make sure you have Adobe Acrobat Pro installed on your laptop or desktop, as this is essential for making the necessary changes to your document. Now, let's dive in. First, you need to launch Adobe Acrobat Pro on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, you must do so to proceed. Once you have the application open, the next step is to sign into your Adobe account. Click on Sign In and input your email address and password associated with your Adobe account. This step ensures that you have access to unlock and modify the document. With access granted, it's time to open the signed PDF document you want to unlock. Navigate through your files and open it in Adobe Acrobat Pro. After the document is open, we're heading to the Properties section. You can do this in two ways. Either go to the File menu and select Properties, or, as an alternative, right-click directly on the open document and select Set Security Properties. This action will take you to a new section where you'll manage the document's security settings. Now, direct your attention to the Security tab. Here, you're going to identify the Security Method drop-down menu. It's likely set to a particular security level that restricts certain access. You'll want to change this setting, so go ahead and select No Security from that drop-down menu. This change will effectively unlock the document by removing any security protocols tied to it. During this process, if your document is protected by a permission password, Adobe Acrobat will prompt you to enter this password. It's important to input the correct password to proceed. Once done, simply click OK to confirm the entry. This step authenticates your action and prepares the document for unlocking. Finally, after making these changes, ensure you save the document. You can save it by clicking OK to exit the Properties window, and then proceed to save the document itself to apply the alterations. Name the file appropriately and choose a location on your device for easy access later. And that's it. By following these steps carefully, you've successfully unlocked your Adobe signed document. Remember, handling documents with permission settings should always be done with respect for privacy and security protocols. This process is a helpful tool when you need to make edits or adjustments to a previously secured document. I hope you found this guide straightforward and helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful content.